Again, I'll remind you who I am. I'm Ron Bannon. If you need to reach out to me, my email address is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Again, we're looking forward to hearing from people that have constructive criticism that will help improve the document. All right? So what are we doing over here? We're doing problem number 23. And I think we're at such stage, if you've gone through all the problems and you're still struggling with this, and you might have to look at the key, but go back to prior problems. But what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to look at the problem. And I noticed right from the get-go that if I just grouped these two and factored it, I would see something immediately. And someone says, what do you see immediately? I would see that they both have a factor of x minus 2, right? Then what's left over? X plus 2 minus these terms over here, all right? So that would be minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 4, all right? Now, granted, some of you look at it and say, how'd you get to the next step? I want to go through that with you. And this is what you should be doing when you're looking at K. If you're looking at wondering how they get the next step, all I could say is write something down. And probably your confusion over here is this thing. So let me put out what I'd write down over there. Minus 3x squared. I'd have minus 3x, right? So minus 3x squared minus 3x, and then plus 6. And then what I would do is I'd probably factor out a minus 3. I'll do that for you. And what would you left off with? And we'll talk about the next step that I have written down. I'm not there yet. That's x squared plus 3x. Whoops, made a mistake already. I said I factor out minus 3, right? So plus x minus 2. And then I try to factor that. So minus 3, and you get x. Let's see, you get 2 and 1, right? And let's see, plus 2 minus 1. That works out beautifully. Now, granted, someone's going to say, well, I'm still looking at what you have written down there, and I don't agree with what you have written down over there. I hope you can agree at least I got the x minus 2. But I noticed they didn't put minus 3 down. What they put down is 3. So let's see if we can do that. So I'm going to take the minus 1 from the 3 and give it to the x minus 1. So this is still x plus 2, and this will become 1 minus x. Well, let's see if we see that now. All right? So, I see the 3. I still see the x minus 2, 1 minus x, and the x plus 2 is the same thing as 2 plus x. All right? So I'm pretty comfortable that I'm able to walk through a key and get to a certain line of the key. Again, I need paper and pencil to do it, but I get to this line over here. And it's really important that when you're looking at a key, they can't put down every step. Some of the steps are missing. Paper and pencil is in order, by the way. And what am I going to do now? Set the factors equal to 0. Well, when does the factor x minus 2 equal 0? When x equals 2. When does the factor 1 minus x equal 0? When x equals 1. And when does the factor 2 plus x equal 0? When x equals minus 2. Again, we're just walking our way through the key. Thank you.